I mean, they're out in droves tonight. They're excited to watch Skubal pitch.
2.19 ERA, 34% strikeout rate. He has had yet another marvelous season. Swing and a miss. Down goes Schneider. First batter, first strikeout, Skubal.
And when you can throw a baseball like that, hit your spots in the zone, boy, is it tough on a hitter.
Like that.
Exactly like that. And that's why going off speed there is a good idea, you know, off speed down, because he's swinging fastball, and you can see how the hips leave the box first.
There's strike three. That was quick. Miles Straw punches out to lead off the third. Wave and a miss. There's the changeup. Guys have been going to the dugout saying, hey, he's throwing me breaking balls. There's that nasty changeup. Swing and a miss. Strike three.
Now,
Springer digging for gold outside.
Skubal's been mixing in the slider and a knuckle curve on the back door all day to these hitters.
That changeup, it just hits a wall and dies.
Something about the way his arm comes through naturally gives his changeup all kinds of movement.
Bases loaded, one out. Bloop straight away. Veerling on the charge. He's not going to get there. It's down for a hit. His throw coming home is wow! Springer didn't know if Veerling was going to catch it, and Matty V aces him at the dish. Skubal goes full-out joker and just cannot believe it. Skubal is electrified by that. Terminates Barger! Finally, some magic.